Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to download an installation of Raspberry Pi onto an SD card and then uploading that onto the actual Raspberry Pi itself. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the Raspberry Pi software website. It's at raspberrypi.com/software. Or you can search up Raspberry Pi Imager and click on the first result. Now, when you scroll down, you'll see the banner right here, and it'll talk about what this is. Basically, it's this application or app that's going to let you download any installation of Raspberry Pi to any storage device you want. Doesn't have to be SD card, doesn't have to be name brand, storage device either. Any storage device will do, but I'd recommend SD card. So as you see, you got a download for Windows if you're on Windows, download for Mac if you're on Mac, and download for Ubuntu if you're on that. So all you need to do is click download for Windows, but I'm not going to do that because I already have it. When you click on the app, it's going to prompt you with this. When you first open it, click yes, and you'll see this menu pop up. Now, you could download a newer version, but I'm not going to right now. Next, you want to choose device. Pi 5 or Pi 4 would be good if you have it. Probably choose on the top results here. And choose storage. I don't have a storage device, but you don't really have to. And then next, you'd click next when you choose a storage device. And be careful because it will wipe your storage device if you use the wrong. So when you try to install this operating system on it, it will prompt you with a pop-up that says, do you want to download on this device? Warning, it will wipe everything that is on the drive. So make sure it's an empty SD card or an SD card you don't care about. When you're absolutely sure that there's nothing on the SD card that's of value, you can click next and it'll start burning it in. First it will download and then read it. Now, make sure the SD card points are nice and tidy. They're they don't have rust on them. They don't have scratches on them, no dust. You have to wipe it off. Or else you could risk having it fail in the middle and having to restart. Now, the whole process takes around 30 minutes, so you really don't want to restart. Now, once you're done, take out your SD card and put it into your Pi. When you open your Pi, or apply power and apply monitor, you'll see Welcome to Raspberry Pi in the setup screen. It'll walk you through first your language, time, zone, time, and all that, and also Wi-Fi and other stuff. Now, once you got it done, you could just click I'm done. It will take a while. It will get all your settings done, and you'll load in. You can change the background and anything you want. Raspberry Pi is like an open software that's not very foreclosed. It's not very closed. It's extremely open source. If you can download a copy of it for free without any terms and conditions, it's probably very open source. So if you scroll down, this is what the software would look like. When you boot into Raspberry Pi, this is what it should look like. You're going to use your terminal as your main command center. Now with Raspberry Pi OS, it's basically Linux, and Linux revolves around coding. So Mac OS and Windows are meant to be user-friendly with very little things you actually have to do on, for example, PowerShell or command prompt. But on Ubuntu, Linux, or any Linux-based operating system, you will have to code a lot. Well, it's not, because it's meant to be open source. It's not. It's meant for like people that want to use it for coding, because you can't really do that on Mac or Windows. So just be aware of that. Now, if you want Windows on this, you could technically, but you wouldn't be able to download actual Windows, because actual Windows is way too resource intensive for the Raspberry Pi. So anyway, hope this tutorial helped you guys. Have a nice day.